What's the meaning of cenotaph? Cenotaph. Cenotaph.
Cenotaph. Cenotaph. A cenotaph is a monument or tomb erected in honor of a person or group of people whose remains are elsewhere. The term comes from the Greek words kenos, empty, and taphos, tomb. Cenotaphs are often built to commemorate soldiers who died in wars but whose bodies were not recovered, as well as other important figures who may have been buried in a different location. These structures serve as a symbol of remembrance and honor, and are often used for memorial ceremonies and other commemorative events.